Welcome back to another edition of the DAMY Vlog. My name is Dr. David Duizer. I'm a naturopathic doctor and the medical director at DamyHealth.com. On this show, we cover all things holistic health and wellness related. If you're interested in topics in the realm of holistic health and well-being, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Today on this show, we are speaking about the number one test in our clinic, the most popular test that we run. In our clinic here, and we're a very broad primary care naturopathic practice. We see a ton of chronic disease cases. We practice integrative cancer care. We of course do a bit of optimal medicine. We do a bit of prevention. We do lots of different things in our clinic. But the most popular test in our clinic, by far, above food sensitivity, above simple allergy testing and candida testing and SIBO testing and stool testing, and above all of these other tests, leaky gut testing, all of these things, the most popular test is the DUTCH test, dried urine test for comprehensive hormones. The DUTCH test is the most popular test in our clinic. Here's why the DUTCH test is so popular. It's been around for a few years, but it's really gotten better over time. It's so incredible and so useful in many different clinical conditions. The DUTCH test covers all types of estrogen and their metabolites, and then how those metabolites are subsequently detoxed by the body, so how they're methylated and cleared. It covers testosterone and DHT, the bad form of testosterone. It covers progesterone metabolites. It covers cortisol and cortisone and the metabolites of both of these hormones. So we get to see all stress hormone production. In addition to this, it also covers epinephrine, norepinephrine, the other two stress hormones. It covers melatonin. It covers oxidative stress. There's a great marker for oxidative stress now that's available. But it also covers glutathione, so our main antioxidant in the body. It gives you a readout of this. It covers serotonin. These are an organic acid test. So metabolites of serotonin, metabolites of dopamine, B6, B12, B9, and I may be missing other things. It's very comprehensive. Those are organic acid tests, so it does metabolites of each. So you get to know a general level of all of these different things, whether it be vitamins like B6, B9, B12, or whether it be neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and then also epinephrine, norepinephrine. It's super, super comprehensive and so valuable clinically. We use it for many different reasons. We like to see in the integrative cancer care of hormone-positive cancers, like hormone-positive breast cancer and things like uterine cancer. We like to see the ratio between different types of estrogens and the ratio between their metabolites. In, of course, cycle issues, irregular cycles, potential hormone imbalances, estrogen dominance. We like to see the exact mechanism for this, whether it be total estrogen being high, testosterone being high, or poor detoxification of certain types of estrogen, or poor clearance of certain metabolites from estrogen. We like to see the inflammatory response, and if cortisol is being converted to cortisone. We like to see total 24-hour cortisol listed, and it is. Total estrogen is listed as well. We like to see first morning melatonin. That's helpful in many different cases of insomnia, cases of brain fog, cases of morning sluggishness. It's actually really, really helpful. We get a cortisol curve, so we get to see first morning cortisol. We get to see 2-hour awakening response. We get to see all these different numbers. Very, very helpful. We get to see total DHEA sulfate. Really helpful to see as a precursor hormone to these other hormones. So extremely comprehensive for that aspect. No other test is combining cortisol with epinephrine, norepinephrine. So we get to see total adrenal response with DHEA as well. So it's a complete adrenal test. We get to see serotonin and dopamine. Organic acid tests are helpful. I like to see serotonin, dopamine, cortisol, and epinephrine, norepinephrine, catecholamines when we are dealing with anxiety, when we're dealing with depression, just to get a proper readout so we can say, okay, we should be directing our attention here or there. Then in holistic weight loss, we like to see oxidative stress as a number, and glutathione as well. We, of course, do glutathione testing for autoimmune disease. So this is another reason to do this test. In autoimmune disease, we like to see glutathione output, because often we're trying to keep glutathione super, super high in autoimmune disease. And this is one of the ways we like to measure it. The DUTCH test is incredibly helpful for all of these different conditions. We're testing in cancer, we're testing in autoimmune disease, we're testing in hormone imbalance, we're testing it in anxiety, insomnia, depression, low energy in general. For men, we're testing in symptoms of low testosterone. So sometimes it's not just low testosterone, sometimes there's high estrogen, and this test tells us that. So it's a very comprehensive test and extremely beneficial for all of these different cases, and I'm probably leaving some out, some potential cases where I may have used it in the past. There are lots of reasons for doing this. A lot of people will use it in perimenopause, assessing their hormones as they go lower and lower into menopause. Sometimes there can be a slight estrogen dominance leading to menopause. We'd like to know that. But progesterone metabolites are measured, so we get a readout of potential progesterone level. It's even being used now in the management of people who are on bioidentical hormones. So they've got new reference ranges for bioidentical prescribing that can be very, very useful. The DUTCH hormone test, the most popular test in our clinic. If you have questions about the test, post them in the comments below and I'll try and respond. Thank you so much for watching. If you have tests that you'd like me to review on this channel, please post them in the comments and I'll try and review them in the future. If you're interested in holistic health and well-being videos, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing lots more like this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.